Hello, this is AJ with GetInspected. Today we are looking at this 56 Ford Victoria. It's been well restored in a, say, number 2 condition. Original color scheme. It's got 47,000 miles on the odometer. This is very nice blue and white Continental kit installed. Bodywork and paint are pretty nice. All the trim is in really nice condition. Everything's been re-chromed. All the stainless has been polished. It presents very well. Nice show car. There's not too much bodywork in the car. Rockers, everything are original. Car's never been off the frame. You can tell that it's all original and in very nice shape. The seller states that it was originally from California, and you can tell that it was definitely not a northern Canadian car. All the glass is in good condition. It's probably all been replaced. Very nice, presents well. No chips, marks, or scrapes. A little bit of overspray on this back window here, but the stainless is in all pretty good shape. A couple of very minor little crinks in it in the top here, as you can see, but not too bad at all. The roof stainless is real nice, presents well. Windshield is in good shape. One little dent in the stainless here. And a couple little ones here at the bottom, but for the most part, all the trim is in very nice condition. The alignment's pretty nice. Door gaps are nice and straight. No issues. All looks pretty good. It is equipped with a 292 Y block. Factory seams here can be seen. They look pretty good. I don't see any signs of bubbling or rust, anything like that. Hood alignment is pretty good. Little off, but not too bad at all. Take a look at the wheels. So all around we do have Coker Classics. The fronts have just over 10/32 of tread left. They don't have many kilometers at all on them, miles on them at all. They are a few years old though. There are no dates present, but the owner states that they're probably 7 to 10 years old. But like I said, there's not a lot of mileage on them. The rear driver's side is in nice condition. Skirts are in place, all look pretty nice. Hubcaps are nice. These rear ones have a little under 10/32 and are of pretty much the same vintage with the same amount of kilometers on them. Passenger side, again, same story, matching Coker. Just under 10/32 with fairly even tread, no issues. And finally, the passenger side front, a nice clean white wall with just over 10/32 and pretty even tread wear. Let me see if I get the light better over here. We look at the undercarriage, we find it's pretty clean. I don't see any signs of major rust, major repairs, anything like that. You can see by the body mounts that it is all original mounts, that is. Never been taken off the frame. Suspension components are all very nice. All your rubbers, everything has been replaced and is in good condition. Brake lines, things like that. No signs of issue. Power steering equipped car, automatic. Undercarriage, body mounts, very nice. As you can see, rockers do appear to be original and never replaced or repaired. You can still see the factory pinch welds along here. Go to the back. Again, we find a nice, pretty nice, nicely restored undercarriage. A little greasy, but that's just from undercoating. But again, I see no real signs of rust or any major repairs at any time for that matter. Dual exhaust and glass packs. Can't beat that. Fuel tank is new in the past 2 years, the owner stated. And again, trunk well, spare tire well is in nice shape. I don't see any signs of rust. We'll look from the top. But everything is pretty nice under here. No big leaks or anything from the rear. There has been a little bit of metalwork in the end of the rear quarters. They were probably replaced. It was done well though. I don't see nothing's hacked up or any real issues. Like I said, it was done well. With no real issues. Both sides were done. But they look pretty good. You can see the evidence of some body work in the corners there. Nice and rust free. Again, body mounts are all very nice. Hat channels are good. Brake lines all look good. Fuel lines all look good. No cause for concern under here. Go to the front. I also don't see any leaks. Again, front suspension components all look well greased and in good shape. All your bushings are nice. Owner stated that drums and shoes have been replaced pretty recently. I think he said a year or so ago, and don't have many miles on them. But again, no leaks or anything like that seem to be present, which is really good. Look at the interior. We find a well-restored interior. No issues whatsoever. Driver's side door panel. It's very nice. Little dirt marks right there. They'll probably could be cleaned off probably though. Door bottoms. No rust issues. All look really nice. Seats are in very nice condition. Been recovered in the factory patterns. White and blue is very nice. Floor mats look good. Show no wear. Under to the floor mat, I'll show you here. The carpet is in nice condition. Not wrecked or destroyed or any signs of wear. The rear seats are in just a good condition. As you can see, rear door panels are good. Very nice. Headliner is nice. The white headliner is installed correctly and is not sagging or wavering in any way. No stains or anything like that. Visors are nice. Not floppy or loose, anything like that. Nice and straight, nice and clean. Dash is well restored. There's the top, very nice. What a dash. I don't know if you can hear, but the clock is working. Heating system, it does have an aftermarket radio installed. Steering wheel is nice, well restored piece. No real wear and tear. It's the dash bezel. Little touch-ups around the gauges, it looks like. But for the most part, it's in pretty good condition. Pedals are nice, by the way. Under dash, nice and clean. Go to the passenger side. And we find this door panel is just as nice. No issues. Door sills, sill plates are nice. Reproduction pieces look good, present well. Passenger side of the seat, again, presents just as well as the driver's side. There's a little mark on the bottom here from shoes or whatever, but it would probably come off. Again, this side of the carpet, nice Ford floor mats. Nice condition. Back seat. Seat backs are nice. You can tell it's all been replaced and restored well. Plenty of care and love has been into this vehicle, and you can tell. Look, we'll go to the trunk first. It does have the Continental kit. Which opens like so, with that handle. Swings out with the spare inside. Emblems behind here are nice. Trunk opens smoothly. Ends seem pretty nice. A couple of dents here and there on the bottom edge of that trunk deck lid. But inside here is very nice and clean, original style mat. No signs of issue, any rust, anything like that. Another spare. So you have dual spare tires. And under this mat is also in very good condition. Looks to be original. I don't see any signs of rust repair or anything like that. Factory plug welds, spot welds are there. I don't see any weld seams, anything like that. Looks to be in really nice shape. Nice original condition car. Nice original body. Put that back together. And the top of the deck lid looks nice. Again, no signs of rust or any issues. Trunk light works well. Close her up. And the Connie kit goes back down. Just like so. Look under the hood. And then we'll start it up and we'll hear a little bit of it running. Bear with me for a second. I'm going to pause. Okay, we're back. Here we have the well-restored 292 Y block. Nice and clean. Manifolds have been painted. Don't show much wear. All the hoses and belts are nice condition. Belts are good. Everything's been well maintained and showing that not a lot of miles have been put on it since restoration. Brake fluid tests okay. We have 0% humidity in the brake fluid. Tested your oil. It looks nice and clean, freshly changed. And we have a green light for that, so no issues whatsoever. Your coolant looked nice and clean and topped up, and we were at negative 46 or so. So no issues there. Battery is pretty new. And we're sitting at about 13 volts and charging just under 14. So working just as it should. Charging system is good. Generator works. Again, no signs of rust or anything like that in this hood. A lot of times this seam here will have a bunch of repairs and rust. A little bit of hammer work has been done there, but very solid. Seams are all nice. Very well taken care of. Okay, so we're gonna start it up so we can hear it run. Okay, there we go. Now we're running. Runs nice and smooth, idles well. I see no signs of smoke or any issues. Sounds nice. We'll show you all the lights work real quick. Dash lights work just as they should. Even has accessory lights, tail lights, and I also did test brake lights, blinkers, all that. Everything works exactly as it should. Headlights are working. Parking lights work as well. So it is in roadworthy and ready to go condition. So there we have it. '56 Victoria. One last look around. This classic American Ford. As always, thanks for watching. This is AJ with Car Inspected, and we'll see you next time.